to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to do a cheeseburger pie. So let me get started. Actually, that is a keto cheeseburger pie. I have 2 tablespoons of butter. Now I'm going to add in the spinach for our cheeseburger pie. It will all fit in here. Don't worry. I'll make it fit. Okay, I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of salt. Some chicken stock. I would say about a cup of chicken stock. I'm gonna let that cook down. I'm gonna go ahead and drain the spinach right now because it's gonna cook a little bit more in the oven. All right, I'm gonna add 85% lean and 15% fat ground turkey in the pan for our cheeseburger pie. That's enough fat in it, so I don't have to add any fat at all, because what I'm probably going to do is drain the fat off the meat after it's cooked. So let me cook that for about 10 or 15 minutes. This brown turkey meat is 2 pounds and 4 ounces. Always like to give you the weight of things so you can kind of determine how much salt to add to your turkey meat. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of salt. And some black pepper. 2 teaspoons of black pepper. I'm going to drain some of the oil off of the ground turkey, and we'll move on to the next. Drain off the juice, the oil from the pan here. So now I'm going to move to the next step. Now, what do you put on a hamburger? You put, some people put like ketchup on theirs, and some like mayo. So what I'm gonna do is add some mayo to mine and mix that up. I'm gonna add some sugar-free ketchup in my pan here. That's about 2 tablespoons. The mayo is about 1/4 of a cup. I'm gonna mix it up. I'm gonna add this spinach on top here. Because sometimes we like a little greenery on our burgers. This is kind of hot. Kind of spread it out a little bit over it. Okay, I think that's good enough. Now I'm gonna add some hot, spicy pickles to the pan here. Okay. Okay, that's it for the pickles. I just added just a pinch of Slap Your Mama because I like it, we like it spicy, but you don't have to add this if you don't want to add this. You don't have to. Add some cheddar cheese to the top of it. You don't have to leave it in the oven that long because it's already, everything is cooked. So all you need to do is wait until the cheese melts, and it'll be ready to eat. I'm going to place it in the oven for about 18 minutes on 350 degrees. Alexa, let me know when 18 minutes is up.
18 minutes, starting now.
This is my plate here. And I'm gonna go ahead and taste it right now. It is really good. That's what it looks like. It looks really good. And I'm gonna eat some more because it's very good. It tastes just like a hamburger. It is so good. You gotta try this. It is really good. So, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Not so much in that order, but subscribe, okay? Have a wonderful day.